Hello students, we are doing chapter number 16 perimeter and area, and today we will start the questions in check your progress of this chapter. So first question is given: a 3-meter wide path runs around and outside a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. So in figure you can see this inner rectangle is a park and dimension are 125 meter by 65 meter, and all around this park one path is there of 3 meter, and we have to find out area for this path. So it means we have to subtract the area of inner rectangle from the outer rectangle. In this figure we have two rectangle, one is this bigger one and one is this smaller one. So from this bigger one, if we remove this internal area, this inside rectangle, then we will get only the area of this path. So first we will calculate the length and breadth for this outer rectangle. Here to here it is 125 meter. So this side 3 meter and this side 3 meter. So 125 plus 3, it will become 131 meter. Similarly breadth also, this side 3 and this side 3 we will add. So 65 plus 3, 71 meter it will become. So length of outer rectangle equal to 125 plus 3 equal to 131 meter. Breadth of outer rectangle (65 plus 3), so it will become 71 meter. Now we have to find out area of this path. So area of path is equal to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. So outer rectangle area will be length into breadth. Length is 131 and breadth is 71, minus area of inner rectangle will be 125 into 65. These are the dimension for inner rectangle. Now 131 and 71 we have to multiply. After multiplication we will get 9301, and 125 into 65 we will get 8125. Then we can subtract it, we will get 1176 meter square. This is the area of path. Next question number 2. In the adjoining figure all adjacent line segments are at right angle. Find the area of the shaded part and find the area of the unshaded part. So all line segments are at right angle means these are the rectangle. This is one big rectangle, this strip also one rectangle, this is also one rectangle. So first we have to find out area for this shaded part. So this shaded part area is equal to sum of area of this rectangle, area of this rectangle, and this part we are calculating two times, with this strip also and with this also. So once we will remove it. So first part area of shaded part is equal to area of rectangle 1. This rectangle we have taken as 1. Then area of rectangle 2, this one, and then we have to remove area of common part. This one is the common part. So first rectangle length is here to here 22 meter and breadth is here to here 3 meter. So 22 into 3. For second rectangle length is 14 meter, breadth is 2 meter. So 14 into 2, and third rectangle this is 2 by 3. So 22 into 3 will get 66 plus 28 and minus 6. After calculation we will get 88 meter square. Second part, we have to find out the area of unshaded part. For that, we can find out the area of this big rectangle. And we can remove the area of shaded part from this. So big rectangle dimension is given 22 into 14. So area will be 22 into 14. And this area already we have calculated 88 meter square. 22 into 14 we will get 308 minus 88, which is equal to 220 meter square. Next, question number 3, find the area of a triangle whose base and height is given. So area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Base is given 2 meter and height is given 1.5 meter. Both the units are in meter, so no need to change. 2 to 2 we can cancel, so answer will be 1.5 meter square. Second part, base is given 3.4 meter and height is given 90 centimeter. So in this question you can see base is in meter and height is in centimeter. So first we have to make same unit. You can change meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. If this centimeter we will change into meter, then we have to divide by 100 and it will become 0.9 meter. So area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Substitute the values. 3.4 into 0.9 can cancel out, 1.7 times it will go, and 1.7 into 0.9 will be 1.53 meter square. Next, question number 4, in the adjoining figure PQR is a parallelogram. QM is the height from the Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is 12 cm, PS is 8 cm, QM 7.6 cm, find the area of the parallelogram and the length of QN. So this figure is given, this is a parallelogram. This side is given 12 cm and this is given 8, and this height from here to here is 7.6 cm, and this one we have to find out. So first part, we have to find out the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram will be base into height. So if you are taking this base, then height you have to take this height, corresponding height, and if you are taking this side as a base, in that case we have to take this height. So this base and height is given, so we will take this one, 12 into 7.6. After multiplication we will get 91.2 centimeter square. Now second part, we have to find out this height. So to find out this height, we will use the same formula, area of parallelogram. Already we have calculated, it is 91.2 centimeter square. Now we will use again same formula, base into height. But this time we will take base this one and height we will take this. So base is 8 centimeter and height we have to find out, QN we have to find out. So now this 8 we can shift another side. So QN is equal to 91.2 divided by 8, and we can cancel out 8 1 ja, 8 1 ja and 0.4 times. So QN is equal to 11.4 centimeter. Next, question number 5. From the adjoining figure, find the area of triangle ABC, second part length of BC, and third part length of the altitude from A to BC. So first part we will do area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height. So this is a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle this these adjoining side which are sharing 90-degree angle, anyone we can take as base and other we can take as height. So base and height is given 3 into 4. Cancel out, we will get 6 centimeter square. Second part, we have to find out the length of BC. So this we will do with the help of Pythagoras theorem. And according to this theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90-degree, means BC is the hypotenuse here, and these two remaining side, one we can take as base, another one we can take as height. So hypotenuse is here BC. If we take base as AB and height as AC, now we can substitute values here. AB is 3 square, then AC is 4 square, BC is square equal to 9 plus 16, or BC square is equal to 25. Now this 25 we have to represent first in the form of a square. 25 we can write as 5 square. So power to power if we cancel, so BC value will be 5 centimeter. Now third part, we have to find out length of the altitude from A to BC, means this AD we have to find out. So this we will find out with the help of area of triangle. This already we have calculated 6 centimeter square. Now we can apply formula half base into height, which is equal to 6 centimeter square. Now in this case we will take base as BC and height we will take this one. So base is BC and height is AD. According to this side, this is the base, in that case height is this one. If you will take base this one, then height is this one, and if 4 is the base, then height will be 3. Now we will substitute values. BC already we have calculated 5 centimeter into AD is equal to 6 centimeter square. So AD is equal to 6 into 2 divided by 5. 2 and 5 we will shift another side, 2 will go for multiplication, 5 will come for division. So AD is equal to 12 by 5, which we can write as 2.4 centimeter. Next, question number 6. In the adjoining figure, the area of the right angle triangle is 54 centimeter square. If one of its leg is 12 centimeter long, find its perimeter. So one leg means this side is given. This side we will call the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, and other two sides we can call as legs. So one is given. First we will find out another one with the help of area, and then with the help of Pythagoras we will find out third side also, and then perimeter. So area is given for this triangle. We will start from this point only. Area of triangle is equal to, you can name out this triangle ABC, is equal to 54 centimeter square, and area formula is half base into height. So base BC we have to find out, we don't know, and height is given 12 centimeter, which is equal to 54. 2 6 times we can cancel 12, and this 6 we can shift another side. So BC value will be 54 by 6 equal to 9 centimeter. Now after getting this 9 centimeter, first we will find out AC. So this AC we will find out by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is here side AC, and base is BC, height is AB. We can substitute values now. BC is 9 centimeter and AB is 12 centimeter. 9 square is equal to 81, and this is 144. So we will get AC square is equal to 225. and 225 we can write as 15 square. So AC value is equal to 15 centimeter. Now we can find out the perimeter of triangle. Is equal to all the three sides we have to add AB plus BC plus CA. So AB was 12, BC 9 and CA 15 centimeter, and after adding this all three sides we will get 36 centimeter, which is the perimeter of this triangle. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.